Deputy, you're quite right that there is understandable frustration, anger, I'd say, from many around the country that this measure has yet to be fully implemented. And I want to assure the House that my colleague, the Minister for Health, Minister Jennifer Carroll-MacNeill, is working very intensively on this issue. In fact, we discussed it as recently as yesterday. I know she's had a number of direct meetings herself with pharmacists, with their representative body, to try and get this matter over the line. And in addition to that, the Department and the HSE has also engaged extensively with the Irish Pharmacy Union in relation to the practical rollout of the measure, because this measure matters. It matters for the reasons you've outlined, and when operational, the measure will cover any HRT medications and products which are reimbursable by the HSE, which have been prescribed for the purpose of alleviating the symptoms of menopause. Reimbursement supports for the new HRT measure will be available to participating pharmacies from the date the measure formally commences. Minister Carroll-MacNeill and officials in the department are actively engaged in the matter. They want to see this introduced as an absolute priority. And I suppose I'd ask today for everybody involved in this, rep bodies, the department, the HSE, to let's all have a bit of give and take here to try and get to a point where this scheme can actually be activated once and for all in a way that absolutely supports our pharmacists, the great work that they do in communities right across Ireland, I acknowledge that, but crucially fulfills the policy objective here in terms of making sure that these HRT measures are funded and available to the women of Ireland.